Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the Maytag washing machine error code F7EC in 2025, you're in the right place. This error can be frustrating, but don't worry, I'll walk you through what it means and how to fix it step by step. First off, let's break down what F7EC actually signifies. In Maytag machines, this code typically points to an issue with the motor speed or the tachometer, which is the sensor that monitors how fast the drum is spinning. It might pop up if there's a mismatch in the expected and actual motor performance. Now, why does this happen? Common causes include overloading the machine with too many clothes, a faulty drive belt, or even electrical problems like a loose wire. Sometimes, it's as simple as a temporary glitch from power surges. The good news is that you can often resolve this without calling a repairman. Start by unplugging your washing machine for at least 1 minute to reset it. This is like giving your appliance a quick reboot and can clear minor errors. Next, check for any visible issues. Make sure the machine isn't overloaded. Aim for about 2/3 full to allow proper spinning. Inspect the drum for any foreign objects that might be causing imbalance, and ensure the door is closing properly. If the error persists, you might need to look at the drive belt or motor connections, but be cautious if you're not comfortable with electrical components. If these steps don't work, it's time to consider professional help. Contact Maytag customer service or a certified technician, especially if your machine is still under warranty. Remember, attempting complex repairs yourself could void your warranty or lead to further damage. There you have it, a straightforward guide to tackling error code F7EC. I hope this saves you time and hassle. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more home appliance tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.